Have you ever noticed how some people seem to stay energetic, sharp, and youthful even into their 60s, 70s, and beyond? What if I told you it's not genetics, not expensive supplements, and not hours in the gym? There's actually one daily habit backed by research that can help you feel younger, more energetic, and healthier overall. It's simple, practical, and anyone can start today. People who practice it report better energy, improved sleep, enhanced focus, healthier weight, and even stronger long-term health markers. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this habit is, why it works, how to implement it step by step, and what results you can realistically expect. By the end, you'll have a complete blueprint to start slowing some effects of aging starting today. Understanding aging. Aging isn't just wrinkles or gray hair. It's about how well your body maintains itself at the cellular and systemic level. Every day, your body repairs cells, processes nutrients efficiently, removes waste, and maintains energy and organ function. Over time, these processes slow down, leading to fatigue, inflammation, metabolic imbalances, and even cognitive decline. Two key processes are critical for healthy aging: cellular repair. Your cells recycle damaged proteins and components, keeping you functional, energetic, and reducing visible signs of aging. Metabolic balance. Efficient energy use helps regulate weight, stabilizes blood sugar, and reduces fat accumulation. Supporting these processes consistently is one of the most effective ways to maintain health and vitality as you age. And the good news is, you don't need complicated diets or extreme measures. The habit is called time-restricted eating, or TRE. It's a form of intermittent fasting where you eat all your meals within a set window each day, usually in 8 to 10 hours, and fast for the remaining hours. Unlike complicated diets, TRE focuses on when you eat, not what you eat, making it simple, practical, and sustainable. Research shows people who follow TRE experience better energy throughout the day, improved focus and mental clarity, natural weight management, better sleep quality, and support for heart and metabolic health. TRE is not a trend. It's backed by research and delivers consistent benefits over weeks and months. So why does TRE work so well? Autophagy activation. This is your body's natural cellular cleaning system. Fasting triggers autophagy, which removes damaged proteins, recycles components, and keeps cells healthy. This is crucial for youthfulness and vitality. Hormone regulation. TRE improves insulin sensitivity, stabilizes blood sugar, reduces fat storage, and lowers inflammation. Metabolic flexibility. Your body learns to switch efficiently between burning sugar and fat for energy, improving endurance, mental focus, and reducing fatigue. Inflammation reduction. Chronic low-grade inflammation accelerates aging. TRE helps lower inflammatory markers, supporting heart, brain, and joint health. Weight and body composition. Limiting your eating window naturally reduces calorie intake, supports fat loss while preserving muscle mass. In short, TRE gives your body a daily maintenance period to repair, detox, and rebalance. Thousands of people practicing TRE report noticeable changes in weeks: energy stability, no more crashes, natural fat loss and weight management, improved mental clarity and focus, better digestion and less bloating. Health markers like blood sugar and cholesterol improve. Studies confirm these benefits. In one study, participants using an 8 to 10 hour eating window improved energy, lost fat, and stabilized blood sugar in just 12 weeks. Here's how to start safely, step by step. Choose your eating window. Start with 10 hours, like 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Gradually adapt to 8 hours if desired. Hydrate. Drink water, unsweetened tea, or black coffee during fasting periods. Supports metabolism and controls hunger. Focus on nutrient-dense foods, protein, vegetables, healthy fats, and whole grains during your eating window. Listen to your body. If you feel dizzy, weak, or overly hungry, adjust your window. Start gradually. Consistency is key. Stick to your eating window daily for weeks to see results. Example daily schedule: 8 a.m. breakfast, protein plus vegetables plus healthy fats. 12:30 p.m. lunch, lean protein plus whole grains plus vegetables. 5:30 p.m. dinner, light protein plus vegetables. 6 p.m. to next morning, fasting period. Some common questions. Do I have to skip breakfast? No, you can start your window at breakfast or later. Consistency matters more. Will I feel hungry or starve? No, eat normally during the window. Your body adapts quickly. Is it safe for older adults? Most adults can safely try TRE, but consult your doctor if you have medical conditions. TRE is about small, consistent changes, not extremes or deprivation. For best results, pair TRE with light movement, walking, stretching, or yoga. Avoid late-night heavy meals. Let your body repair overnight. Prioritize sleep and stress management. Repair processes work best when rested. Track your progress. Energy, focus, digestion, and weight are good indicators. Be patient. Benefits build over weeks. Small improvements compound. TRE becomes not just a habit, but a lifestyle supporting long-term health. In summary, time-restricted eating is simple, practical, and research-backed. It supports cellular repair, boosts energy and focus, helps manage weight, and improves heart, brain, and metabolic health. You don't need extreme diets, expensive supplements, or intense workouts. Pick a daily eating window, stay consistent, and allow your body time to repair naturally. Start today. Notice improvements in energy, focus, and overall well-being in just a few weeks. Aging happens, but declining doesn't have to. One simple habit can make you feel younger, healthier, and more vibrant every day. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and share your experience. Here's to slowing aging, one simple habit at a time.